So, an important concept when it comes to copywriting is that of motivational forces that drive consumers to make buying decisions. So, there are 8 motivational life forces जिनका हम use करते हैं whenever we're proposing any product or service or our offer. Basically, whenever we're making a sales, so if we go for any one of these 8 life forces and we can target them in our potential buyers, that gives us a better chance at converting them into paying customers. So never forget that people buy based on emotion, not on logic. Most of the purchases that people make are made on emotion, not on logic. And these emotions stem from the motivational life forces that each human has ingrained in them. So regardless of whether your buyers are different, obviously आपके consumers बहुत different होंगे एक दूसरे से, but at the foundation of it there are 8 common traits in all humans that you can actually make use of when writing your copy. So these 8 life force motivations are firstly survival or enjoyment of life or life extension. So human nature होती है, humans want to survive, they want to live for as long as possible, they want to enjoy life, and they want to increase their lifespan. So if our copy is convincing the readers that our offer is something that can extend their life or give them a healthier life or happier life, a more enjoyable life, so they are more likely to buy from you. Then there's the enjoyment of food and beverages. Of course, restaurant chains, cafes, eateries, जो भी food related, beverage related industries होंगी, they can make a lot of use of this motivational force. We can even use it in any other copy. We can start our copy with some sort of question related to this ताकि right away your potential audience gives you their full attention. Then there is the life force of freedom from fear, pain, and danger. This is more about targeting the pain points of your audience. So if there is a fear, अगर आपकी audience को, let's say for example, if they're scared of losing money or if they're scared of their computers getting hacked, these are issues that induce fear. They can be painful, they can be hurtful to your audience, और हर इंसान चाहता है कि वो इस तरह के मसलों में ना पड़े एंड दे डोंट एंड अप फेसिंग सच इश्यूज. दे वांट फ्रीडम फ्रॉम देम. सो मेकिंग यूज ऑफ such pain points in your copy is also something that is proven to lead to very high conversions. Then there's companionship. All humans have an innate need of companionship, of compatibility, relatability to one another. So if you're triggering this emotion, कि आप उन्हें ये सोचने पे मजबूर कर रहे हो कि your product is something that can maybe bring them closer to other people or get them the compatibility, the companionship that they're looking for, then that is also something that your audience will want to go for and avail your offer for because they're seeing a benefit in it for themselves. Comfortable living conditions. Every consumer wants to be more comfortable. Obviously आपके product या आपकी service का purpose भी यही होगा to provide your buyers with more comfort, with more ease and convenience in their lives. तो make full use of this emotion. Make sure to convey to your readers कि आपका product किस तरह से exactly उनकी living conditions को comfortable बनाएगा. Then humans also have a need to be superior or to be at the front, to be winning, and to keep up with everyone else. Societal pressure hota hai on every human to keep up with what their friends are doing, what other members of their family are doing, what their co-workers are doing. So if your copy can convince them on the fact that with your product you can get ahead of your competition or you can get ahead of everyone else, so that is something that your consumers are very likely to choose because it's a life force, it's a motivational force that your consumers want to be superior to other people. And your copy should show them that your offer will help them achieve this. Then there's the life force motivation of care and protection of loved ones. All individuals care for those that they love, they care for their families, they care for their friends. So if your copy can appeal to this emotion, if it can show them that your offer will provide safety to their friends or family and their loved ones, so this sort of trigger will really make them think about your product and it will leave a very lasting impact on them, and they're very likely to invest in your offer because they want to protect, and care for their loved ones. And the last life force motivation is social approval. Most of your prospective buyers are people who are looking for some sort of social approval. They want to look good in society, they want to look good in front of their friends and family. They are driven by society. So, if your product can help them get some sort of social approval in any form, then why wouldn't they buy from you? They will definitely want to avail your offer because it will give them a sense of entitlement and it will make them more socially acceptable and respected. So, if you can relate your product to any of these life force 8 factors, you can stir up any of these emotions in your reader that will help you improve your sales and conversion rates. कॉपीराइटिंग में इमोशंस का यूज़ बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. इट हैज़ अ लॉट टू डू विद कंज्यूमर साइकोलॉजी बिकॉज कंज्यूमर साइकोलॉजी इज़ व्हाट लीड्स consumers to make buying decisions. So that is why we looked at these 8 life force motivations, because if your copy can target any of these emotions, though that will give you a very good chance of writing strong copy that converts.